St. Mary Parish residents need to go home and shelter in place until further notice. There is a rapidly spreading flu outbreak occurring in the parish. The sheriff has ordered that for your safety, a stay-at-home order has been issued until further notice. More information coming soon.
From the state of Louisiana, due to the increasing cases of the highly contagious H7N9 flu, a statewide lockdown is now in effect. Non-essential traveling is prohibited. You may leave your homes for health and safety reasons to get groceries and supplies. Businesses must limit in-person operations for the safety of the general public. The public must follow social distancing measures recommended by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. Governor LaSalle will be addressing the state shortly. For more information on the H7N9 virus, visit www.louisiana.gov/H7N9.
Breaking news coming into the KLPL 59 newsroom. Governor LaSalle has lifted the H7N9 lockdown, due to successful operation of containing the virus and the addition of the distribution of the drug H-State-Cis. We are being told now that the governor will be activating the emergency alert system in a few seconds to announce lifting the lockdown. Please stand.
The governor of Louisiana has lifted the H7N9 lockdown for the entire state of Louisiana. This St. Mary Parish variant, the main variant, has been isolated to several parishes in the region, and patients are being treated with an experimental drug called H-State-Cis. This drug has been properly distributed to all 64 parishes, including parishes that have not reported infections as of yet. While the virus spread has slowed down, The governor has ordered that precautions should still be exercised across the state. You may socialize, but wear a mask. The social distancing order has been rescinded. While this St. Mary Parish variant has been isolated to regional parishes, the Rapides Parish variant, while a lower form variant, is still spreading. However, state, local and national authorities are working to contain that strain of the H7N9 virus. The governor will be speaking shortly on the H7N9 virus. Stay tuned to media outlets for further information.
A contagious disease warning has been issued. The state of Louisiana has issued a state of emergency due to the rapidly spreading H7N9 flu, which has affected all 64 parishes in the state of Louisiana. The governor's executive order for sheltering in place and traveling is still enacted. Non-essential businesses shall continue to remain closed until further notice. Essential traveling, like caring for others, groceries, and picking up prescriptions, can still be done. Remain 3 feet in social distancing and wear a mask when interacting with others. This emergency declaration order will be in effect until further notice. Numerous hospital overloads have been reported. If you are feeling very ill, visit the nearest triage unit and try to avoid the hospital. The governor will be speaking shortly on this ongoing health emergency. We are all in this together, and we will fight till the end of this epidemic.
The governor of Texas has implemented a work safe at home order for the entire state of Texas due to the swiftly spreading H7N9 flu in southeast, east, and northeast Texas. This order is in place to halt the H7N9 flu epidemic spread. In order to combat the spread, you must do the following. Stay home, except for essential errands like grocery shopping, caring for others, accessing necessary healthcare, or going to essential work. No group gatherings beyond your household are permitted, with exceptions noted. Household members can still gather. Spend time outside while maintaining social distancing. At-risk individuals should stay home. Compliance is crucial to safeguard our loved ones and neighbors. Restaurants remain open for takeout and delivery. Let's all stay home and curb the infection rate together. More information can be found at https://www.dshs.texas.gov/H7N9.
We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. This is a national emergency message. Please stand by for further information. This is a national emergency message. Please stand by for further information. This is a national emergency message. Please stand by for further.
The following has been transmitted by the request of the White House, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. This is not a test. The H7N9 flu, which originated from St. Mary Parish, Louisiana, has been to have infect American citizens in all 50 states. The President of the United States has declared a national-level emergency for all of the United States until further notice. A stay-at-home order is also in effect. A stay-at-home order means to shelter in place in your home, unless you need to go out for essentials, such as a doctor's appointment, groceries, or to help a friend or relative. Precautions should be taken, including wearing a mask, remain 3 feet in social distancing from another person. This is until treatment can be found for this flu. Symptoms include bloody nose, coughing, sneezing, body aches, nausea, vomiting, and weakness. In the meantime, the CDC has declared this outbreak a pandemic. All work should be done virtually unless you have an essential job. The President has ordered that anyone outside should go home. The President will be addressing the nation shortly. That is all the time I have right now. Thank you. God bless you and God bless the United States of America during this time. This has been a representative of the President of the United States.
This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All normal programming should now continue. This has been a national emergency message by the United States government.